The Create Shape function on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 allows you to create your own shapes and can be applied with fun embroidery stitches in unique shapes. So let's take a look at how this works and what the possibilities are. Start by touching Create Shape at the bottom. You're going to notice you'll get to a brand new screen. Start by coming up and picking the shape of your choice. So there are basic shapes like circles, hearts, and stars. And then there's also a category called dingbats, so a little bit more unique with ribbons and boots and glasses. We also have the option to go and do this with letters. So there's actually two options, an outline and a solid letter option. So hear me out. Let's just go ahead and start with something basic. Let's just start with a circle. As we close this down, we can see that the circle has nothing on it. You are going to then get to pick a design, a decorative stitch of your choice. You also have the option here to make this circle any size you want. So a lot of times I'll make sure that I have started with a larger hoop. It kind of lets me have a little bit bigger playground before I come in here. Let's go into our built-in designs from the machine and notice that there are categories across the top, and I have come all the way down to the small category. Let's go ahead and select a design. I've gone ahead and pre-picked this purple flower, and with this you see that one repeat is sitting on this circle. So check out what happens as we add the design. So 2, 3, 4. So what it does is it nicely spreads out the design amount that you have selected. So you can keep coming up and adding until you have the amount that you're looking for. If you know you're going to be at a much larger amount, for example, you can touch where the number is in between the minus and plus and type in, say, 20. And then all of a sudden you've got everything that you need. Sometimes what I like to do is actually adjust the circle now and bring those designs or whatever I've chosen to be around the shape to kind of come in and touch. So can you see what we've got going on here? They're coming around. This would be a perfect place for a monogram to sit in the middle and allow you to change things as you wish. So that is kind of the basics. Let's go ahead and when you're done, you can go ahead and do the check mark. And what it does is it sets all your designs around a circle for easy viewing at that point. Let's go back into Create Shape. Let's do this one more time. Oh yeah, it doesn't let you go in and edit, so that's kind of nice to have that. Let's pick a star, for example. And what it has done is it's changed our designs into a star. Now, since a star has 5 points, let's just go back. If we touch 5, we're going to get a design at each of those 5 points. We can go ahead and add, but as you can see, they're kind of wonky until you get up to divisibles of 5, such as 10, 20, 30, and how about for fun, let's do 25. It kind of fills that in nicely. Again, you can kind of size it out or smaller based on your design and what you are looking for. Go ahead and touch the check mark when you're done, and it is ready to stitch out. Can you see how much fun you could have with some of those designs? As you want to get it to be set or do another shape, deselect it on screen, touch Create Shape, and start with your new shape. Now that you can see the potential, you can have some fun with the letter shapes, both the outline and the solid. So without owning software, there's lots of built-in abilities on your Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3. Make sure you check out all of our free video tutorials on this machine. There's a link in the description below. Plus, we have a whole bunch of online courses that are perfect for mastering this model from beginning to end. There's always free videos in our courses that you can watch to see if that course is right for you. Check it out.